In 2024, a lot of people achieved their YouTube milestone. Someone has achieved 100k subscribers, someone completed a 50k subscriber milestone this year, and even I completed over 10k subscriber on this channel. So can I ask you a question? What are those factors that helped me to achieve this milestone? I don't know, most of you will say editing. Yes, of course editing can be a factor, but what is the use of good editing if your video script is not engaging? And I know that some of you might already be using AI like ChatGPT to write a script for your videos, but you must have noticed no matter how good a prompt you write in ChatGPT, your script always come out in a
robotic tone and unnatural.
which do not seem at engaging at all. And on an average, a professional script writers charge over $100 for a 2 to 3 minutes video script. Means if you are uploading videos daily, then you have to pay more than $3,000 per month. But how about I tell you about a software where you can create a professional script in your own tone and style, and that too in 98% less pricing. And let me tell you one more thing, whatever I'm talking about in the video, I have created a complete script in just 2 minutes using this software. So before proceeding with the tutorial, let me tell you the name of this software is Maekersuite. And here why I choose Maekersuite to write script of my videos. First, I can not only write engaging professional script with Maekersuite, but it also helps me to research any topic based on keywords and get a comprehensive mapping of the space, including for example the top and the best performing videos. Second, I can also analyze individual videos to learn and get more ideas. Number third, I can script videos based on the research fully supported by AI every step of the way, from brief to outline to script to publishing info. And this saves me a lot of time as well as money, which I have to pay script writers earlier. And for your convenience, I have given this link in my description. After watching this tutorial, you must sign up for Maekersuite and claim your 7 days free trial. Now let's come to my computer screen and I will show you all its features in detail. So here is the first look and dashboard of Maekersuite. In the left side, you will get 6 options. First, create new. Second, home. Third, projects. Fourth, research. Fifth, ideas. And sixth, and notes. First of all, I will show you how to make the script with using its research feature. So let's begin with quick start menu. Tap on start a research here. You have 2 options. First, you can enter the video idea here which you want to research. Second, you can paste multiple videos link to get insight and ideas through the video. Let's move further with researching your own idea. Choose this option, select your language and type your idea. For example, I want to research on this topic, best wireless gear for content creators. Tap on start research. Our research is ready to view. Click on view report. And here's the fully detailed report, like most viewed video on this topic, most commented videos and most liked videos in this topic. And here is the all videos which are related to this topic, was views, performance, published date, you can see. And to be honest, this feature is my personal favorite because I do research like this before making every video. Also, there are many more details here which you can see by pausing the video. Next, here is the top 5 ideas on which we can make videos. Of course, if you don't like any of these ideas, then you can regenerate the ideas as well. Okay, now you can choose any one of these 5 ideas on topic. So I'm choosing this one for example. Next, tap on create project and move forward to script making process. Now first of all, choose the length of your video, type the title of your project here. This is already pre-filled for us. Next, choose the language of your script here. In Maekersuite, you can create a script in many languages like French, Dutch and Chinese, etc. So I choose English language. Next, you can select your project goal, then content type. I'm making this script for my video, so I choose video option here. Then type the publisher name here like Chris. Next, type the audience you want to target here. In this section, you can provide more context here to get better and higher script quality. Now choose your storytelling framework here. You can click on each storytelling method to see which storytelling method is match your script and topic. Next, choose your script tone, then choose how creative and precise script you want. And here is the final and most important step, and also my personal favorite feature, because here the way you talk in your videos and the style you have, by adding a part of the script here, you can tell Maekersuite that this is I want in the script to be like. Now we are almost done. Next, tap on generate outline. And here we got our outline here. It has all kinds of outline like hook, attention, interest, desire and action. Also, if you want, you can edit it like this. For now, this is perfect for me. Next, tap on generate a script, and this is our final step to get our script ready. And finally, here is our professional engaging video script that we generated in just 2 minutes with help of Maekersuite, and save our too much time and hundreds of dollars for this script. But also there is a quick option if you want to customize this script, like you can make this script more shorter and longer as well, and you can tell Maekersuite if you want to add more details in the script. And if you're done, click on save project and you can see this project anytime in the Maekersuite dashboard. Also, you can edit and customize the script anytime. So here is the offer for you. If you're a content creator like me and you also make videos continuously every month, then you can go with his pro plan. And if you upload any 3 to 5 videos, then you can go with personal plan. Also, you can get a 7 days free trial if you sign up from the link given in the description. And before ending the video, if you have any question, do not forget to comment below. And if you have still not subscribed my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to try out Maekersuite. See you in this video.